Hello and welcome to the CCH. CCH stands for Congress Center Hamburg, one of the largest buildings of its kind in Europe, with an event space of 12,000 square meters. Foyers also measuring 12,000 square meters and up to 50 halls and rooms.
Opened in 1973, planning for extension and renovation work began in 2014. The iconic architecture is now resplendent in a new appearance, with the CCH even larger and more complex than was previously the case.
Attendees of congresses or concerts do not always have a lot of time. Sometimes, every minute counts. Efficient navigation is therefore the key. So how have we achieved this? By designing a wayfinding system that is bold, contrasting, and highly structured. The prioritized destinations appear almost as high as the signs themselves and are positioned in the foreground. The remaining items of information occupy a subordinated role. This makes it clear even from a distance. Hall 3 is this way, Hall Z is over there. Within the extensive spaces, the signage offers a powerful distance effect and rapid perception of information.
We have now arrived at our destination in Hall 3. A large destination confirmation hangs on the wall.
The design is consistently reduced to the essence, with the elongated ribbon-like signs referencing the horizontally accentuated architecture. The white lettering on the black surface is clear, elegant, and has a positive impact on accessibility.
Less is clearly more here, with enhanced clarity and greater added value for the public and the organization itself.